In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on your Shopify store. If you sell to customers in different countries or regions, showing prices in the right currency can make a big difference to trust and conversion. Shopify lets you manage this at the market level, so each market can use the currency that makes the most sense for customers in that region. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, look for Markets. This is where Shopify groups countries and regions so you can tailor settings for each one. Click Markets, then select the specific market where you want to change the currency. If you sell to multiple regions, you'll see them listed here. Choose the one you want to edit so your change applies in the right place. Inside the Markets editor, find the Currency section. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down showing the current currency for that market. Click the drop-down to open your options. At the top, you'll see a selector where you can pick a new currency for this market. Choose the currency you want customers in that market to see on your storefront. You may also see an option to use all currencies. This allows the market to display prices in multiple currencies where relevant. If you choose this, you'll be prompted to decide whether to enable price rounding. Price rounding helps keep prices tidy. For example, rounding to familiar endings like 0.00 or 0.99. So your catalog looks clean and consistent after conversion. If you pick a specific currency instead, you'll still decide on price rounding, and you'll also choose how prices convert, dynamic or manual exchange rates. Dynamic exchange rates automatically follow current market rates, so you don't have to adjust them yourself. Manual exchange rates let you set a fixed rate, which can be useful if you want stable pricing, but it requires occasional review to keep it aligned with your business goals. Once you've made your selections, click Done at the bottom right of the drop-down to confirm. This closes the chooser and applies your settings to the editor, but they aren't live yet. To finalize everything, click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. Saving publishes the change to that market, so customers will start seeing prices in the currency you selected. Depending on your theme and apps, it may take a moment for the storefront to reflect the update. That's it. By adjusting currency at the market level, you keep your pricing clear and localized, while tools like rounding and exchange rate controls help you maintain a professional, predictable catalog. Thanks for watching and happy selling.